Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a long time since I posted, but I've been waiting for my clutch to arrive. So finally, the clutch has arrived, so I can put it on the engine now. So that's what we're gonna do today. Clutch on, and then the gearbox is gonna be cleaned, and then we're chucking that on as well. First thing I'm gonna do is clean the gearbox because it's so dirty. I'm just gonna degrease it and get that nice and shiny. Gave the gearbox a clean. I didn't want to spend too much freaking time on it just because I just want to get it going already. Been waiting too long. But most bits turned out good. I wasn't going to clean the inside just because, I don't know, it's too dirty, can't be bothered. But, you guys ready? This is clutch that I'm going to be running. So, I have opened it. 6-puck ceramic clutch with springs this time because the last time I used no springs and it was just horrible because it just chattered and made heaps of noise. This will probably do the same, but I'm just gonna try it with the springs and see how it goes. So yep, 6-puck clutch, springs, and it's a stage 4 clutch, and this is the brand Clutch Max, and I'll put it on the screen as well if I can be bothered to do that. But yeah, lightweight flywheel, I believe. Actually, I don't know, I think it is. And yeah, stage 4 clutch apparently can hold like heaps of power, so this is going to be perfect for the build. Now I just need to put it on here. I'll probably give that a bit of a clean too. Oh, also I got the aircon unit on off camera, but that was like a pain to get on because there's like a bolt right there, see that? And you can't get it without using just like a spanner that's cut in half basically. I'm gonna make sure the car has all proper aircon just so I can daily it and not sweat my tits off. I can't wait to actually put the engine in and just turn everything on and drive it already. So yeah, we better get to work if we want that to happen. So let's get this on. Okay guys, let's do some cleaning. I'm not gonna clean that much, but oh what? I think I already cleaned this. It's not getting cleaner when I clean it, so it's been cleaned. I need a little toothbrush. I forgot to brush my teeth this morning. That'll do. I'm just gonna like re-clarify what my plan is with the car. I'm gonna put the engine gearbox in the car and get it running, and I'm gonna daily drive it. I'm gonna leave it NA, so with no turbo at first, drive it for a couple of months and upgrade everything as I'm going. So I'm gonna be getting a full new body kit. Wheels are gonna be put on, everything's gonna be really clean, and then once the car's like absolutely mint and perfect, then I'm gonna turbo it. So like stuff like the rear main seal right now, I'm not gonna change it because when I do the turbo process, I'm gonna do like everything. But for now, I just wanna get the engine in and make sure it works, and I'm not gonna do any seals or anything like that. I'm just gonna chuck it in and it's gonna run, basically. Now I'm installing the pilot bearing. There wasn't one in there when I got the engine, so I didn't have to take one out. Used a mallet to hit it in until it was flat, and now I just got a socket that perfectly fits around the outer edge of the bearing, so I can hit it in until it hits the back wall. Now it's time to put the flywheel on. I think it can go anyway. Hello. Obviously you just want to line it up with the holes. Alright, how am I going to stop the flywheel from spinning? This is where I need a friend. Be right back, I'm gonna cry. Alright, so I'm ready to tighten up the flywheel bolts, put Loctite on them, and I just need to torque them up. I don't have a torque wrench, but I'm just gonna do them as tight as I can. If I try and tighten it now, it's just gonna spin the engine. So I'm just gonna put this socket on there, and then I'll put a pipe on it, and then I'm gonna like, I don't know if it's gonna work, but put my foot on there, and then reach over and tighten it while I'm putting my foot so it doesn't turn the engine. Fuck, that's a workout. Did I miss any? Tell me, guys. I have no idea. Now I'm going to install the pressure plate onto the flywheel. So I've got the clutch alignment tool going through it now, and I just have to put it on. But the kit didn't come with pressure plate bolts, and I don't have any. So I'm gonna have to go to sleep tonight and wake up tomorrow and go and get some bolts. Alright, it's another day and I'm putting the clutch on now. I don't think I need to Loctite these because there's always constant pressure on the bolts. So it's not like they're gonna back themselves out. There we go. Alright, so I just got the clutch on and the flywheel, and now I'm just gonna chuck the gearbox on. I've already got all the bolts, and hopefully the clutch is aligned properly and the gearbox just goes straight on. And then I might just like chuck the engine straight in. Alright guys, my camera's going flat, but I've got the gearbox on, everything. And I'm gonna go and get the electric forklift thing right now and lift it up, and then just try and get the engine in, and the gearbox hopefully will just slide right in. I've never actually done this before, so let's see how it goes. Right now this manifold is hitting on the steering arm because the gearbox is tilted down right now. So as soon as I jack the gearbox up, that won't hit anymore. Alright guys, we got the engine in. Yes! We got it in. It actually went in really nice, and we just got the forklift, and then it has a tilt function on the forklift, so it does this, and then we just pushed it in. I had to remove this engine mount on this side and reinstall it once the engine was in because it wouldn't go past it. And also I've flipped the steering shaft upside down because it was hitting the manifold, because the manifold's off an E34, not an E36. So, and I actually had to cut that wide cylinder bit off the shaft as well. And now I just have to hook everything back up, or not back up, I have to hook it up. It's never been hooked up before. Yeah, heaps of little things I need to do, but yeah.